diri. Pagka makakita kayo ng mga ganitong lock nut or kahit anong klaseng lock nut, tulad dito sa lock nut, please do not use impact gun kasi dali po ito masira. Ito dali ito masira, ma-strip. Pagka ma-strip off siya, that will be a long headache. So kung ano gawin yan, before yung tanggal ng gulong, i-ano nyo muna, i-crack open nyo muna, crack open, like gagamit kayo ng breaker bar, whatever you may have, breaker bar. Has to be taken by hand. The same thing on the other side. Then I do the same thing on the other side. Never use impact gun on the lock nut. Kasi they are kind of very delicate design. Especially ganito na design. Very delicate. Is again, do not use impact gun in opening or taking down the lock nut. Okay, just use like a breaker bar. Once it is done, you can now use gun. Easily strip off. This lock nut is pre-order. You have to like go to the dealership and then order part number whatever it is. So this thing here, it's more or less 60 euro pagka nasira nito. 80 euro. So just be careful with that. The rest you can use. This is we are using 19 mil socket. We'll see. Get this thing. See, the 4 guys has the stupid bit. This lock, this wheel nut, it has a cover. Sometimes this cover, it sees, and we'll take it off like this one here now. And we're gonna put it back on. We're gonna squiggle it like that. In order to remove. That's a stupid idea. The car manufacturer, they are doing like that. Every time the wheels will return. Here, the return to this one is like 115 millimeters. Same like that. This is secure. Story here because we're gonna replace the trailing, we're gonna na-replace the drilling bushings, control arm, and the thrust arm. So this is very long for it. This will run like 3-4 hours doing this. So very long for it.
Brand new upgraded packaging plus a special cleaning toothbrush as a gift.